Hi, I'm Sean Coonerty. I'm a partner here at Siegel & Coonerty. We're medical malpractice and personal injury attorneys. This video is about the anatomy of a lawsuit. It's going to give you a brief overview of what stages there are in a lawsuit so you have an idea of what to expect. At the outset, there's the interview, which we sometimes refer to as the intake. That's when you come in and we interview you and you interview us. And you find out whether or not the attorneys that you're speaking to are someone that you can feel comfortable with to handle your case. During the intake, we also get from you all the information concerning your lawsuit, the good and the bad. It's important for you to share all aspects of the case with us. Next, once we have that information, we're going to investigate your case. That might mean going to an accident scene and interviewing witnesses, taking photographs. We're going to be getting your medical records. We're going to be analyzing them to see what's in them. What injuries can we prove in this case? What injuries can we not prove in this case? Which injuries are caused by the accident? At that stage, a case can sometimes settle because we've taken these medical records, we've made initial contacts with the insurance companies that are involved in the case, but if the case does not settle, at that point in time, we get court intervention. We get involved in formal litigation. That means it's the pleading stage where we have a lot of documentation that goes back and forth. We're going to say to the defendants, here are our claims, here are the injuries, here are the medical records, and we're demanding from you A, B, C, and D, and they're going to do the same thing back. After that stage, it's depositions or examinations before trial. That's when you, as a client, are going to come in and actually give testimony that's sworn and is all written down. It's going to be in front of a court reporter where they have that machine, so everything you say may be used as evidence at the time of trial. After your deposition, generally, if you're a plaintiff in a case, you can expect to have doctors that are appointed on behalf of the defendants to examine you and issue reports. Your medical condition is at issue. You're claiming injuries. It's only right that the defendants, the other side, has the opportunity to not only take your doctor's word for it, but have you examined by their own doctors. And then that way they can call those doctors at the time of trial if they're trying to defend any aspects of the case on the medicine. The last stage in the case is, in fact, the trial. It's the end zone. It's 2 minutes left in the game. That's the point in time where you want to make sure that all this time you've gone through all these stages, you're with the correct attorneys that you feel comfortable with and that you know are competent to present your case in front of a judge and jury. You're going to have more questions. We will have the answers. Call us at 212-532-0532. Thank you for listening to this video.